Good evening to the post-market report for November 1st, 2021. So it's the first day of the month, first day of the November series for option traders, and it's been a good day. The momentum has picked up again. The last couple of trading sessions we had, the market was going down pretty badly. So we had a good show really. Across the board, we've seen most of the indices, they have gone up. It's been pretty good. So for every equity that went down, we had two that went up. So 2:1 kind of a ratio there. Nifty shot up 260 points to be closing at 17,929, almost 18,000. So it's a pretty good place to be. The trading really was flattish until 1:30 p.m. and 1:30 p.m. things really started picking up. Banknifty, again, all the action happened after 1:30 p.m. Went up 650 points to close at 39,763. In the banking sector, we had Indusind that did really well. It went up 8%. SBI went up. HDFC results were announced. They did very well. Sensex, of course, gains 830 points. So across the board, we had a pretty good show today. So we can assume the market is continuing its usual bull run at this point. And you may recall that on Friday, I did say that I expected a full recovery on Monday, which seems to have what has happened today. And considering that Diwali is around the corner, a couple of days from now, we should see a stable market in the next couple of days as well. IRCTC, of course, had a huge jump, went up almost 400%. So if you were holding IRCTC over the weekend, good for you. Sale and Reliance traded heavily this week. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, we're going to have a lot of focus on the auto industry. They came out with their numbers. Ashok Leyland posted 11% growth in the vehicle sales in October. Maruti Suzuki sales declined by 24%. Hyundai 34% decline in October in volume sales of vehicles. Kia reported a 22% drop in their sales in terms of volume. Now keep in mind, all of this drop is not because of a lack of demand. The demand has been pretty good. The reason is because of the semiconductor chip shortage that has been going on for a while now. And overall, that shortage has dropped, taken down the sales by about 20% in October, just because of that semiconductor chip shortage. Looking at the sectors, real estate sector did well, and if that's doing well, we should expect other sectors that depend on it, like building materials, paints and such, should do well as well. Kind of moving in tandem there with the real estate sector. Metals did very well. Hindalco, Tata Steel, all of them did well. Tech stocks did well. And as you may remember, last week it was huge selling. Last couple of few trading sessions, last couple of weeks really, we've had a lot of sales by the FII, foreign institutional investors. I think they crossed 20,000 crores worth of equity sales that happened until Friday. But today seems like they have stopped selling. Well, they did sell. They sold 200 crores worth of equity today. Domestic institutions bought 115 crores. So FII selling seems to have stopped, at least for today. I expect the markets to be range bound this week, except for Banknifty. I think Banknifty, it could go up a little bit, maybe from 39,800 to about 41,000. You should expect some kind of rise in Banknifty. That's my personal opinion here, depending on results that come out later this week. But mostly that's the range I predict. And Nifty, I expect it will be around 17,800 to 18,100. So I'm expecting a pretty decent week this week. So we did have a good day, and we're all happy that we're back on track. Regular, stable market, hopefully. So thank you for watching my post market report. You have a wonderful day. Bye now.